how to download latest version of apps on your Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download or install the latest version of application on your Android phone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Google Play Store on your device. So simply open it. And now after you open the Google Play Store, from here you'll have to tap on search icon just at the bottom right corner. And now from here in the search field you'll have to type for that specific application whom you want to download with the latest version. So as usual, you can also find or search the application from your existing app on your device. So in other hand, you can also find the new application with the latest version. So like in my case, I'm searching for the YouTube. Alright, so after you search the application, you'll have to just open that app. And now from here you will get options to update it, whether its update is available or not. So you'll find the option update instead of this open option. So on the other hand, for the newest application you'll have to search, and for that the updated app will automatically install in your device. So this is the easiest and simplest process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.